Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will walk through of Fate's Farewell encounter side quest in Where Winds Met. So let's get straight into it. Go to the path of Karma in Sundara Land on a foggy day. To unlock the Fate's Farewell encounter quest, go to the path as I mentioned. Once you teleport it from the path of Karma Boundary Stone, the quest will trigger if it's a foggy day. If you are having a hard time spawning the fog, open camera mode and select Pro to change the time weather. So how to open the photo is F7, and here you can change time and weather. So you go to Pro, and now you can change time and weather right here somewhere, high, low. So okay, so here we have time and here we have the weather, and you can set to foggy day. Exit photo mode, yes. Once the quest triggers, climb up to the stairs of the, so I will go like so and climb up here. So now we will talk with this guy. So they are seeking clues about Mio-shan and will offer a reward for any information. After the conversation, move the time to the Z hour using the menu. So let's go and do that. Time, what we said, Z hour. So this is right here. Confirm change. After changing the time, go back down the path of Karma and walk back upstairs. So let's go to this point where we have the clue. Take mushrooms with you, like that, and now we need to go back upstairs. So we will talk probably with this one right here, Peony 9, the schooler. Okay, so I guess we need to fight now. I really like this rope. It's really cool to fight with. So now we have here 9, the schooler. Talk with this little guy here. So after that, we will need to fast travel to Wraith Village. Okay, so as you can see, we now need to fast travel right here. So I will try to teleport myself Wraith Village. Now we will need to approach another girl here. She will start praying for the dear spirit. Enter the building she is facing. Right. And inside the ruined building, speak with Lady Ning and give her knees keep shake like that one. Pick up the handkerchief of love after she disappears. So pick up this handkerchief of love, and after that we need to go back to the path of karma and look for Nia. So let's do that and go back. This one is closer, so I will teleport myself there. So let's go here. Remember, he will disappear. So when you're returning him this, and at the top of the stairs, the two men from before will block your way. Defeat them in process. So like so. So now we will need to fight, I guess. Yes. Like so. It's pretty cool. This dart is really cool. Then talk again with Billy Zui. After defeating these two men, travel to the Riverview Terrace to find Neil. So you see it's pretty far away. So where it is now? Okay, we will teleport here. So now we need to check one broken down wagon and find the blood-stained wire rope. So here, view, place the handkerchief inside the wagon to end the quest. So I will place this down right here. And this is how we finish Feather's Farewell quest. I hope this video will help you out. So consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will help grow the channel. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.